Let's synchronize.
Hey guys, Naturalhair here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much guys for clicking. Thank you for your subscription and thank you so much for your comments. Oh my goodness, if you're new here, my name is Naturalhair. Welcome and feel at home, and don't forget to subscribe guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make a pause right now, go to Naturalhair and subscribe. Subscription is free, okay? It's just love. Thank you so much, and I'm so glad that you're loving my videos nowadays, and that is a good sign. So let's grow this channel. We are talking about locks, natural hair. Today's video guys is very tricky. It's very, I don't know, if you are the person who likes to do math, this is your time. Let me see your math skills. Where are you in math? Were you A student, B, or C? Today is today. So what we're going to do today, guys, we are going to count my locks. It sounds silly, right? Let me see. Counting your locks, motto? Yes! We are going to count my locks because it was a silly. You know, I have never thought like people can count how much hair they have. I'm not talking about the strand, tiny hair, but the locks, you know, the locks. I have never thought of that. But today I'm like, wait a minute. How many locks do you have? And I'm like, I know who to help me. Because, you know, when you do math, you need somebody to help you. You're not really getting it, right? You need a tutor. My tutor today is you guys. You need to come here. We count these locks. We need to know exactly how many locks Umoto style or Umoto lifestyle has. You see, I'm saying Umoto style, Umoto lifestyle. That's where this channel is authentic. Even if I talk a mess, that's all right, because you know what? I'm natural and I am human. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna start counting locks here and there. So I have here these 4 hairband, this tiny little thing. So I guess we're gonna start by sectioning my locks. First of all, I'm gonna section it in the middle. So I hope you guys can see. So I don't think, guys, can you guess below with my locks like this, how many do you think I have? I don't know. They don't look that many, but hey, let's see. So let me start by parting on the middle of my locks. Actually, I'm gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 4 sections. So I'm gonna come in the middle like this and try to section this part. Okay, let's do this. Make sure guys you don't tighten your locks. You know, remember this is your natural hair. You don't want to go, you know, bananas. Okay, 1 section. Let me section this part again right here so that we make sure we don't want to miss our math. I hope you guys, you have your books. We are counting here. So let me section this one as well. Today is today. If you ever hate it, you know there's some people who hate math. Are you the person who hate math? This is today. Today we're gonna do the math. Guys, look at me now. This is why I'm authentic. You know, I don't like sugarcoating videos. Like, I want my videos to be like this and perfect. No, it's me. It's me, Moto Lifestyle. And then we're gonna section the back section right here. Like this. And I am going to section the remaining. Look at this one. It wants to hide. So I'm going to section the remaining right here. Guys, look at me. Look how I look with my locks. I hope you are not that bully. Before we do the count, guys, every single video I do, I just want to give you a thumbs up because I just want to say a little bit of my story. I like saying it in just seconds because I remember when I was in high school, I was bullied a lot about my hair because I didn't have that cute, fancy hair like everybody else, but my hair was really short and it was a different color. So most people didn't like it, so I was bullied a lot. So I'm so proud of my locks nowadays. And that's why I say, if you see somebody bullying somebody about their hair or about their features, make sure you show me some love. Do me a favor, tell them to stop. No bullies allowed, okay? Because this is my locks now. So guys, that one aside. So we're gonna start counting this one. Let's just take it out. Oh, Umoto, come on. Let's start counting this one. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So right here is 23 locks. Let me go ahead and put them at pen again. 23 locks, guys. The math teachers, where are you? Where's my math teacher? So those are 23. Let's go here. We continue. 23. Okay, let's go. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So this one here, they're 40. This one and this one, they're 40. I hope you guys, you're counting with me, okay? So we have 40 already and counting because we need to count the back ones, okay? Now let's go back. 40. This one looks like it's a lot. Guys, I'm sorry. I have to look this way so we can count. So 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 68, 69, 70, 71. So this one is 71. Now we are remaining with this part. So far we have 71. Let's do the last one. Oh my goodness. 71. Let's do the last one. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Okay, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102. So Umoto Lifestyle has 102 locks. 102. So who got it? Let me see. Let me mark for you. I have a pen. Did you get it? So Umoto Lifestyle, she has 102 locks. Next time I'm gonna ask these questions. Make sure that you get it because this question is gonna be in exam. And whoever is gonna win, you know what's popping. You're gonna get something from me, okay? I'm not gonna say, but I'm gonna do it. So let's just spray. Guys, this is oil, mixture of oils here. So if you did not watch my previous video, I showed you what kind of oils I mix with water in here. This is another bottle. I have another bottle, but you can get this from a dollar store. It's just $1. So I have, you can see how I moisturize my hair and what kind of oils I use to moisturize my locks. Guys, thank you so much for being a good student, counting my locks. So you know Umoto Lifestyle has 102 locks on her head, okay? Thank you so much, guys. If you have not subscribed, make sure you subscribe and make sure you turn your notification on so you do not want to miss any of my vlogs. I love you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.